Hey guys, can you hear me? Okay, wait, too much noise here. One sec. Yeah, can you hear me, guys? Awesome. Today's session is basically ion exchange review by Devjani. Is she here? Is she here? Is she here? Okay, I think she is here.
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah. Hey, hey, what's
So
up?
yeah, so I have done the research. काफी इंटरेस्टिंग था. एक बाहर से तो कंपनी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है, बट बैलेंस
Hmm.
शीट एंड लीगल इश्यूज आर रियली बैड. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा खराब है एंड लीगल इश्यूज भी बहुत सारा है. वी विल गो डाउन डीप इनटू इट, है ना? So
Awesome, awesome. Okay, I think we're all excited to understand what ion exchange is because for one reason, ion exchange has actually gone up quite a bit, right, in the past few months, years. Let
hmm.
me just open one second. Let me just open and check what happened today with ion exchange. See, the whole market is bleeding today, and ion exchange was up by 5.5%. Number one,
Sir,
from
one
a
thing I have noticed, this
hmm.
person named Mukul Agarwal. Okay, so in whichever company he invests, until and unless he is holding to that company, जो भी हो जाए market में, that company always increases. But one fine day he removes the money and then जो fall आता है, it is not able to sustain in the market. मैंने ये
Oof.
सिर्फ इस कंपनी में नहीं देखा है. लाइक आई हैव सीन हिज ट्रेंड ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड this has been a trend over the time, and recently he has increased his stake from 1.36 to 1.59 in this company. So मैंने ये चीज बहुत peculiar है, but I have seen over the time.
Okay, again, I love the fact that you do such deep research ki you know that it's one guy who's trying to do some nonsense. What's his name again?
मुकुल अग्रवाल. दिस
Mukul.
सेम पर्टिकुलर थिंग और एक कंपनी में भी हो रहा है, एंड यू रिसेंटली टॉक्ड अबाउट इट. न्यूजन, आई
Which
गेस.
one?
न्यूजन कंपनी, यू टोल्ड ना.
Or Newgen? No, I don't have stake. I've not bought it. But
न्यूजन.
Newgen Software, Newgen Chemicals,
दैट
Neogen
कंपनी.
Chemicals, Newgen Software.
या न्यूजन. न्यूजन ऑल्सो सॉ दिस, एंड उसके इन्वेस्टमेंट के बाद इतना ज्यादा स्पाइक आता है, इतना ज्यादा. एवरी टाइम आई हैव सीन दिस. सो मतलब अप जाता रहता है एंड देन सडनली ही डजंट इवन इन्फॉर्म, मतलब कब पैसा रिमूव और एनी ऑफ हिज व्यूज, एंड देन सडनली वन फाइन डे he removes all the money and then the price of the share, means the whole
So are you
share
saying it's
falls.
very similar to a promoter game?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, chalo. I think you should start your research and go
Yeah,
one by one. Firstly, I think what is ion for a lot of people who don't
yeah, yeah,
understand ion exchange.
yeah.
Uh,
Sure.
what have you noticed after that? Chalo, Devjani is taking over, guys. I'm gonna sit here and listen.
Okay, so
Enjoy.
Iron Exchange Limited deals with the water waste treatment and the environmental solutions. So these are the main things Iron Exchange does. So the major revenue uska दो जगह से आता है. Like the domestic revenue is 58% and the international contribution is around 42%. So what is the business model we will be studying? तीन पार्ट है उसका बिजनेस मॉडल का. फर्स्ट वन इज इंजीनियरिंग, which contributes around 63% of the revenue. Then the chemical segment, which contributes 30% of the revenue, and the consumer products, which contribute 7%. Okay, so what is basically the engineering segment doing in this company jiska 63% of the revenue aata hai? So the wastewater treatment is done in this company, which includes the seawater distillation, recycling, zero liquid discharge plant, and works on the water cycle and the sewage treatment. Next, coming down to the chemical segment, it provides a range of resins, specialty chemicals, and customized chemical treatment programs. So these chemicals and resins are used as catalysts to remove the impurities and heavy metals like arsenic, iron, fluoride, etc. Such special the specialty chemicals are used in mining, textile, cement, pharma, food industries. Okay, and also the paper industry, it uses the chemical business. Okay, and there has been a continuous pricing pressure on the raw materials. As per the con call of FY 2020, one of the input cost is a crude oil, and being a commodity, it is subjected to the global demand and cyclicity nature. Whenever there is a spike in crude oil, there is the input price rise, and this can be seen over time. मतलब जो मतलब 2014 में, 2008 में, and again in 2021, when there is a huge rise in price of crude oil, the effect can be seen in the coming quarters also. So seeing the about the consumer products, so 7% of the 7% of revenue is contributed by consumer products. And basically what does it do? It provides water to individuals, hotels, spas, educational institutes, hospitals, labs, railways, defense, lot of things. And they also work on the clean environment, मतलब रास्ते के ऊपर जहाँ पर जो छोटे छोटे gardens होते हैं ना, some are bought by them and they are again renewed and cleaned, and new things are done in those मतलब रास्ते में those environmental things are done. Few of the projects are taken by this company, and this company is also a pioneer in reverse osmosis technology, that is the RO technology in India. And Zero B is the brand for water purifier which they work on, and the company has not sufficiently leveraged its market position to increase the reach of Zero B purifier products to the household, because like the reasons I will be telling later, but उनका जो product consumer में है ना, they are not at all working on this. Because they can get a good share, मतलब they have, although they have competitors, but they can improve on this. Okay, now coming down, this is a like they are having a diverse customer base, and the product base is also good, like they have diversity in their product range. And modern capital expenditure in resin division has increased its capacity, because in the future the demand for resin may increase to a great extent. Okay, now coming down to the clients, it has majorly three subdivisions. पहले तो industrial में है Reliance, JSW, L&T, IRCTC, that is the railway, Tata, Bhel. There are many more. Institution may they have the Leela, Taj, Holiday Inn, Hyatt, Oberoi, like all the big hotels are there. So they basically provide water to them, and वहाँ पर जो water purifier and stuff होते हैं, इनके companies के होते हैं. And lastly the international grounds में कौन कौन है यहाँ पर? The hot name is Emirates Steel. They provide things to this company. And then the Cargill is there, Unilever Group, and PDO Oman. These are the companies in the international background, they provide the service. So this company is having 50 patents and 100 products commercialized, 100 plus products commercialized in this market. It is the largest players amongst ion exchange resin players amongst India, with a 40% market share. Matlab they have a special edge in the ion exchange resin, because they are having 40% stake in the whole Indian market. And the valuation of the share is should be around 3730, but it is right now 3400 2427, so it is undervalued with respect to the sector PE and EPS. So that is it. Then coming down to the automotive segment which they are working on. So they are working on the water treatment for process using of the canteens. मतलब जो canteen में जो water treatment होता है and the water purification, this is done by this company. Then the boilers and boiler and the cooling water chemical treatment program is also done by them. Thirdly, the treatment and the recycling for utility waste management is also done. And oil waste treatment and the packaging for the vehicle wash recycling, मतलब जब कार को recycling मतलब cleaning के लिए दिया जाता है, there also the water provided for cleaning is done by them. Now coming down to the points of highlight which I could find in this company, the first one being the resurgence of the third wave in the COVID-19, like the delta variant which is coming can pose a huge challenge on the disruption of logistics for the material movement as per the report of the last quarter. मतलब 2020 से ये प्रॉब्लम देखा जा रहा है कि कोविड 19 के टाइम से द सप्लाई एंड द लॉजिस्टिक डिस्टर्बेंस हैव बीन सीन, एंड थर्ड वेव के आने से तो और भी डिस्ट्रप्शंस आ सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ कमिंग डाउन टू द सेकंड पॉइंट, देयर हैज बीन एन इम्प्रूव्ड opportunity flow from the international market, especially for the Sri Lanka project which they have taken up. उनका बहुत बड़ा श्रीलंका में प्रोजेक्ट हो रहा है regarding the pipeline thing, and the sales rise in the engineering and the chemical business from the consumer business is higher. मतलब engineering and the chemical business have provide more revenue rather than the वो वो कंज्यूमर के जो प्रोडक्ट्स है, दैट हैज नॉट शोन अ गुड थिंग बिकॉज ऑफ द इकोनॉमिक रिस्ट्रेन इन द कंज्यूमर सेक्टर विच हैव बीन अफेक्टेड बाय द कोविड लॉकडाउन एंड द सोशल रेस्ट्रिक्शंस विच वी हैव सीन. नाउ कमिंग डाउन टू द थर्ड पॉइंट, ठीक है, जो ये कंपनी है ना, दिस इज हैविंग अ वेरी इकोनॉमिक साइकिल इन इट. आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग इट वाई. सो engineering and capital good industries are linked to the economic cycle, right? And thus the investment tends to be very cyclical in nature. So this thing can be a con, like it is very cyclical, and slowdown in the Indian economy leads to the curtailment of the capex in this sector, such as the steel, infrastructure, and the power, which are the key customer segments in this area. For instance, the group order inflow had declined in 2009 and respectively in 2013, 2010, and even in 2020, with the economic slowdown resulting in the very low capex of the company, and the revenue has also declined because of that reason, but it is not much highlighted because they have got that revenue from the Sri Lankan project जहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा उनके पास आ रहा है. For that reason only उनका 2020 में they have covered in the balance sheet. Now coming down to the next part, next point, so they have got a contract under the Jal Jeevan mission. This is a very important part क्योंकि ये वाला बहुत recent like project they have got, and because of the rural water supply to 1,000 villages in two districts of UP, they have got a massive 1,000 crore like revenue जहाँ से expectation है, like the company will get 1,000 crore revenue from here. And next point, announced a capex of 100 crore in the chemical plant towards the green field. ठीक है, ग्रीन फील्ड में उन्होंने एक बहुत बड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है जहाँ से उनका रेवेन्यू दे आर एक्सपेक्टिंग इट टू ग्रो एट अ वेरी मैसिव रेट. सो ग्रीन फील्ड में एक ज्यादा मतलब एक बड़ा केमिकल प्लांट आ रहा है उनका. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, management has mentioned that although there has been a new launch of zero b, like I have already told na कि zero b उनका water purification and purifier product है, but it does not spend much towards its marketing and advertising, like we have seen in the other competitors that they spend so much, like RO and stuff are there na, and Aquaguard is also there, Kent, yeah, right, Abhinav, Kent is also there. So these are the companies jo like they have spent a lot on advertising and marketing, but ये company अपने consumer base के लिए एकदम पैसा स्पेंड नहीं करता है, ठीक है, विच इज यूजुअली रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द कस्टमर सेगमेंट टू ग्रो, लाइक मार्केटिंग एंड एडवर्टाइजमेंट इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट, बट यू विल never see the TV में ad and stuff. The company wants to be a differentiator in this, मतलब उनके मैनेजमेंट से क्यों इसका रीजनिंग है कि मैनेजमेंट हैज टोल्ड कि दिस कंपनी वांट्स टू बी अ डिफरेंशिएटर बाय लुकिंग एट अ लार्जर कम्युनिटी यूज्ड प्रोडक्ट, hence it is more focusing in the rural areas where communities are affected by the water contamination and government or non-government initiatives by the corporate, right? So we can see that एडवर्टाइजिंग एंड इसमें ज्यादा पैसे खर्च नहीं किए हैं, whereas it has more focus कि बाहर रूरल एरियाज में they are pumping in more money. Next point, the service concession in IRCTC. So like in the, if those people who have been traveling in train, they have already seen कि रेल नील करके एक बॉटल आता है पानी के लिए. So that water is provided by this company, PET bottle करके, ठीक है. So the rail meal is sponsored, means they are getting revenue from this segment, and this contract is between 20th December 2013 से 30th September 2029 तक. So this contract is between that period of time. Now coming down to the next point, ठीक है. Margins in both resin and the industrial chemicals are under pressure. So क्यों pressure आ रहा है into the resin and the chemical segment? So higher cost of raw materials and sudden depreciation of the rupees have been a very big concern for this company. But on a positive note, it has achieved the economies of scale with respect to the manufacturing cost in 2021. But the material cost is a concern in this केस, ठीक है. मतलब यहाँ पर इफ वी गो टू स्क्रीनर एंड सी, जस्ट वेट अ सेकेंड. हाँ, यहाँ पर प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस स्टेटमेंट में जाके अगर इफ वी सी द एक्सपेंसेस एंड देन वी कैन ऑब्जर्व कि उनका मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट अभी जीरो हो गया है, एंड दे हैव बीन ट्राइंग टू रिड्यूस इट फ्रॉम अ ग्रेट टाइम, बट नाउ इट इज गुड टू गो. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज द मटेरियल कॉस्ट, एंड मटेरियल कॉस्ट के लिए वहां पर क्रूड ऑयल इज अ वेरी बिग कंसर्न उन्होंने उनके लिए. सो दे आर डूइंग ऑल्सो स्टफ टू रिड्यूस दैट, बट दैट इज अ कंसर्न, है ना. Now coming down to the next point, ठीक है. The continued liquidity crunch and the resulting uncertainty regarding the fund availability and the rising interest cost are affecting the business. मतलब मैं समझाती हूँ. the मतलब कंपनी में liquidity crunch बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है. that is a very bad thing. जो uncertainty like उनका बिजनेस के लिए जो सर्टेनिटी होना चाहिए, दैट इज लैकिंग टू अ ग्रेट एक्सटेंट. सो दैट इज नॉट अ गुड थिंग फॉर द कंपनी, है ना. One more thing, there is an overall increase in the credit risk faced by the company, and because of that reason there has been a very slow payment. So that is a very bad thing, and which I will be discussing in the later half, okay. Coming down to the next point, okay. The change in the management and shareholding structure, this is a very important part, be very careful, okay. So there has been a change in management and the shareholding structure of the company has been reformed. पहले तो ये एम्प्लॉय ओन्ड एंड एम्प्लॉय रन कंपनी था, ठीक है. बट नाउ इट हैज चेंज्ड इनटू प्रोमोटर ओन्ड एंड प्रोमोटर रन कंपनी. एंड दोज हु नो इट इज अ वेरी बैड थिंग. मतलब अगर एम्प्लॉय का ही कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता है, देन ऑब्वियसली प्रोमोटर अपने प्रॉफिट के लिए करेगा, बट एम्प्लॉयज आर द मेन रनर्स ऑफ द कंपनी, है ना. दे आर वर्किंग फॉर द कंपनी एंड दैट हैज रिड्यूस्ड ओवर द टाइम. सो द ग्राफ हैज ऑल्सो बीन फॉलोइंग ऑफ द वर्किंग कैपिटल, है ना. नाउ द current increase in the stake of the key management personalities and directors in the company, along with the presence of blood relation in the senior management and the board of directors, indicate the nature of the management succession in the company in the future may be very bad, है ना. like it is like a family owned business kind of हो रहा है, but that thing is very bad. मतलब people should be getting management position and succession on the basis of professionalism rather than यहाँ पर हो रहा है blood relation के लिए. So that is a very मतलब एक negative point है in company के लिए, right. Another next point which is also very important है ना, the company owns shares of the parent company. मतलब ये parent company है आयन एक्सचेंज, तो वो लोग कहाँ पर लाइक इन्वेस्ट किया है, ठीक है. दे हैव इन्वेस्टेड इन एक्वा इन्वेस्टमेंट लिमिटेड, सेकेंड इज वाटर केयर इन्वेस्टमेंट इंडिया लिमिटेड, and thirdly iron exchange financial product private limited. So these are the three things जहाँ पर parent company that is iron exchange has invested, and the holding is 99% of most of the things. मतलब दो जो मैंने बोला aqua investment and water care में 99.42 and 99.43% holding है, and iron exchange financial product में 24% holding है उनका. Okay, so what is the bad thing of this? So I believe that where the parent company holds their own share through subsidiary companies, and this shows that the promoter shareholdings, and shows these are the promoter shareholdings. So these cases create an illusion. So this creates an illusion of higher promoter shareholding than it actually might have been. Okay, so the promoter holding has decreased over the 3 years at a rate of 17.03%, which is very bad, right? So this is the last point. जो मतलब this segment what I was talking about was the points of highlight. Now coming down to the next segment, तो revenue jump in business के लिए क्या हुआ है? Okay, so let us check about the three businesses. पहले तो engineering department में क्या हुआ है? So quarter on quarter there has been a jump of 32%, which is good. EBITDA has also raised by 111% year on year basis. So this इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा कर रहा है. केमिकल डिपार्टमेंट क्या कर रहा है? दो इट हैज बीन अ स्मॉल जंप, बट ठीक है, 18% राइज ऑफ क्वार्टर ऑन क्वार्टर, एंड एबिटा हैज इंक्रीज बाय 74% ईयर ऑन ईयर. दिस इज ऑल्सो प्लस पॉइंट. बट द कंज्यूमर प्रोडक्ट, वहां पर कितना इंक्रीज हुआ है? 322 मिलियन से 377 मिलियन. But this is not a big thing. The losses for the quarter reduced from 14 million versus 28 million of the previous years. मतलब losses थोड़ा सा कम हुआ है, but ज्यादा कुछ खुश होने की बात नहीं है. ठीक है, that is the main thing. Engineering and the chemical has been doing great. हाँ, जो मोदी जी के बारे में बोल रहे हैं ना, सॉरी मोदी जी नहीं, राकेश झुनझुनवाला के बारे में. राकेश झुनझुनवाला हैज रिड्यूस हिज स्टेक एंड हैज नो स्टेक इन दिस कंपनी अभी. Okay, now coming down to the next point ना, about the question of growth, if it is sustainable or not. So
Wait,
according to the, हाँ,
Devjani, did he remove all his stake? I thought he had
yeah,
2 lakh shares left,
no, 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 no,
1%.
he has removed all his stake.
From
He has
5% to
zero stake.
0%.
Yeah, from 5% to 0%. Yeah.
Okay, interesting.
From March 2021, it has removed, and to be very frank, Mukul Agarwal at that time only entered the company.
Okay,
Okay,
because I
fine.
saw some article that said 1% was left and he removed like four
नहीं
and a
नहीं,
half.
मार्च 2021, मतलब मैं टिकर फिनोलॉजी से देखती हूँ. सो इन
Hmm.
टिकर फिनोलॉजी यू गेट द होल्डिंग्स, मतलब कौन क्या होल्ड कर रहा है. सो मुकुल अग्रवाल एंटर्ड द कंपनी इन मार्च 2021, एंड राकेश झुनझुनवाला सोल्ड हिज स्टेक इन मार्च 2021. मतलब 0 करोड़, मतलब अभी कुछ होल्डिंग नहीं है. एंड
Very
मुकुल अग्रवाल
interesting.
इज
Hmm.
होल्डिंग 54 crores. एंड वो सुनील सिंघानिया जो करके एक आदमी है, वो छोड़ दो, दैट पर्सन इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट हियर. बट उनका भी स्टेक है अराउंड 88 crore, है ना. सो
Got it.
दैट इज.
Got it.
चलो, now next question, if this growth is sustainable or not. Like I have told कि इंजीनियरिंग में इतना 32% का जंप हुआ है, केमिकल्स में 18% का जंप हुआ है, whether if it is really sustainable or not. So according to the con call, the sharp margin improvement both in engineering and the chemical segment is sustainable according to the management. क्यों? Because of an increase in the degree of utilization in the chemical segment, along with the improved efficiency benefiting from the transistent raw material prices improvement, which was favorable. Like back in 2020 there was a very good price for the crude oil, इसीलिए कंपनी का बहुत मतलब अच्छा जंप हुआ था, because of the raw material prices being low. But this raw material, but in the current scenario it is not doing well, क्योंकि क्रूड ऑयल प्राइसेस अभी स्काई रॉकेटेड हो गया है ना. सो आई डोंट थिंक सो दिस पॉइंट विल मीन्स काउंटर दिस पॉइंट की ग्रोथ सस्टेनेबल है क्या. मुझे तो नहीं लगता कि सस्टेनेबल ग्रोथ है. मतलब इट कैन सस्टेन अ 32% जंप एंड 18% जंप रेस्पेक्टिवली, है ना. नाउ कमिंग डाउन टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, if we look at the 2 to 3 years revenue, it is quite flattish revenue. But if we look at the profit before interest and tax, that is PBIT, it is almost double. Like yeah, doubled in absolute terms. So what are the reasons behind it? Like, what can be the reason? The one of the reason can be the price rise, but generally the price increase also gets reflected in the corresponding increase in the revenue, which is not the case, right? So the key reason for the improvement in profitability capacity was firstly expansion and other improvement in the capital side. Okay. The second one, there has been a change in the profile of the product portfolio and the margins associated with the product mix. Thirdly, improvement in the overall efficiency of the company. But this point I would like to counter कि ये नहीं हो सकता है, because the people are not for the company who are working in it. Like I have got the reviews, मतलब एक वेबसाइट है जहाँ पर हाउ पीपल वर्किंग देयर आर हैविंग द वर्क एक्सपीरियंस, सो वहाँ पर अच्छा रिव्यू नहीं है. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो वन थिंग. एफिशिएंसी मुझे नहीं लगता है अच्छा हो रहा है. एंड लास्टली, फेवरेबल इनपुट प्राइस मूवमेंट हैज आल्सो हेल्प्ड इन इंक्रीजिंग द मार्जिन फॉर 2020 एंड नॉट फॉर द अदर ईयर्स, बट 2021 में इट मे बी चेंजिंग, है ना. Now looking at the financial data, it is a very important part, है ना. Now this is a new segment of financial data. Coming down to the first point, looking at the tax amount paid, like it has been paying significantly higher amount of tax. Like average में कितना होना चाहिए, like that the average is around 33 to 35% of the tax rate paid by the corporates, and the rate has been higher at 65 to 50% in FY 2014 to 15 respectively. But no company in general will be interested in paying higher tax to the government. But why this one then, right? While going through the Concall report of page 12, like if anyone wants to refer, ki page 12 of quarter 1 of FY 2015, मतलब मैनेजमेंट ने बोला था कि like management has responded कि that losses of some of the group companies did not get credited to the consolidation on the account, hence the tax rate has been higher. Okay. Now next point, receivable days के बारे में, right? So the receivable days of the company have been around 5 to 6 months on average due to the larger execution order in the engineering segment. So this shows that the company's business is not a consumer oriented thing, wherein the customer pays are done immediately or by the end of the month without much delay, right? It is primarily B2B business. For instance, in 2014 and 15, the receivable days had increased to 160 and 165 days due to the downturn in the economy, which led to the cash crunch from the customers due to in the engineering sector.
Wait, what happened? Where did she go? My God, insane. The amount of research she's done, I don't think I have the time to do that kind of research. Insane, insane. Yeah, yeah, Akshay, I mean, request. One sec. Yeah, guys, don't. She's coming back. She's coming back.
I just got removed, कोई नहीं, ठीक है. Like I didn't cut off, but like it got cut off, कोई
No
नहीं.
idea, no idea. Go ahead.
Okay. So I was in the receivable days, right? So receivable days में क्या हो रहा है? Like in 2014 to 15, the receivable days has been higher of 160 and 165 days respectively due to the downturn in the economy, which led to the cash crunch for the customers due to the engineering segment, है ना. However, this has decreased in 2019 to 135 days and now at 113 due to the increase in the sales figure. So with better capacity utilization, this figure should start coming down gradually, but like let's see कितने दिन में और कितना कम होता है. So lesser is better here. Next, coming down, the company has obtained the working capital financing from the banks and the bills discounting facility. So the cumulative profit after tax for the last 10 years has been 200 crores, and the cumulative cash flow from operating activity has been 616 crores. So so this is all during the same period. So it looks like the company is comfortable enough to convert its cash into profits from exceed significantly. So that is a good thing. है ना? Now coming down to the next point, when the company has good amount of free cash flow, then why is the company not getting rid of the debt? उनका debt बहुत ज़्यादा है, mind you. So in fact it has increased significantly from 2016 to 2018, from 90 crores to around 164 crores, and now it has started to reduce in 2021. Like very slowly it has started to reduce, but that is a very bad thing ना, उनके पास बहुत ज़्यादा free cash flow है, but क्यों नहीं अपना debt reduce करता है? So this has also led to an increase in the interest expenses during the same period, but this concern have not been addressed in any of the con calls which I have gone through. मतलब मैंने last 5 years का कॉन कॉल पूरा देखा है, बट कुछ नहीं बोला है उसमें. So however the interest expense ratio has improved year on year due to the increase in the operating profits. Now coming down to the next point, now looking at the trade payables thing, right? Like last day जो बोला था ना, like the person who came and told about this thing, to do research, so he told about the trade payable वाला. So I took a good concern कि इसमें क्या हो रहा है. So looking at the trade payable figure under the footnotes of 26, page number 154, one gets to know that the company amounts to approx 410 crores due to others, and this figure is almost 38 to 40% of the annual sales. However, there is no additional information provided how it is going to do this. This reminds of the famous quote कि devil in the details, but I know कि trade payables is doing not doing a good thing, like they are not very much steady in this. Now coming down to the next point, right? The company has paid a dividend for past years, जो इनका बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब मैं क्या ही बोलूँ foolish act है. However, the payout ratio has been steadily decreasing over the years. Reason might be waiting to keep cash buffer for the further growth, but ये same चीज उन्होंने 2014 और 15 में क्यों नहीं किया? Like when they did not have the money enough revenue to like generate within their company, so why did they pay a huge hectic amount of dividend during that time? So वहां पर मैनेजमेंट का कोई गड़बड़ था, तो इसीलिए नाउ इट हैज कम डाउन बाय 10%. सो हुएवर इज लुकिंग कि डिविडेंड के लिए आई वांट टू एंटर द कंपनी, डोंट एंटर बिकॉज इट इज नॉट हैविंग सिग्निफिकेंट इंक्रीज इन डिविडेंड ओवर द इयर्स, क्योंकि वहां पर मैनेजमेंट चेंज हुआ था, जो उनको समझाया कि डिविडेंड मत दो बिकॉज यू आर हैविंग ग्रेट लॉसेस, एंड दैट ऑल्सो दोज डिविडेंड्स वर पेड बाय टेकिंग लोन्स फ्रॉम द बैंक्स. ठीक है, सो दैट इज अ वेरी बैड थिंग है ना, ड्यूरिंग दैट डेज दे यूज्ड टू डू. नाउ कमिंग डाउन टू द ऑडिट रिपोर्ट जहां पर उनका टैक्स डिस्प्यूट के बारे में है. सो व्हाट टू रीड अबाउट दिस? सो देयर इज अ लिस्ट ऑफ पेंडिंग टैक्स डिस्प्यूट एट मल्टीपल forums, few being of 15 to 20-year old cases. So indirect tax dispute amounts to almost around 16 crore, and direct tax dispute around is 6 crore. So the company has mentioned this as contingent liability. Such tax disputes and legal issues have also led to an increase of legal fees. Year on year it has increased by around 1 crore, okay, over the time, which I have seen the trend. Now coming down to the next point, the company has shown a very poor revenue growth of around 14.95% for past 3 years. So as per the company, in FY 2014, the change in the macroeconomic environment was the primary reason for the decline in sales, and almost the entire water treatment industry faced a lower key business, and the cash crunch was seen. So this in turn was a result of the challenges faced time, and the sectors under concern were the power and the steel during 2014, like decline in sales, which proved that the business in the water treatment industry in form of water treatment units at the manufacturing plant was heavily dependent on the power and the steel business, है ना? Now coming down to one of the major things जो कि down factors of the company है. So weakening of the operating performance on account of significant slowdown in order, or like order inflow जो है वो कम होता जा रहा है. Maybe it may be getting good amount of revenue over the time, but now it has been slowing down. Second, considerable stretch in the working capital cycle, जो कि bad point है. Thirdly, increasing trend in the non-core income, and the stock under and the stock is under the ASM list of like invigilation and legal issues. Fourthly, higher than expected debt funded capex plan, weakening the credit metrics. And fifth, raw material prices has been a huge concern, and the competition is a major thing, है ना. Now coming down to the next major segment, कि sector analysis with respect to water management, मतलब water management as an industry, how it is doing with respect to this company, है ना. So coming down to the first point, so the water market is majorly governed by municipal segment, है ना. And the waste water treatment sector is expected to grow faster than the water treatment due to the central and state government renewal drives and mitigations, and eliminating of the pollution in the Indian rivers has been taken much concern. मतलब ये सेक्टर ट्रेंड में आ सकता है बिकॉज pollution control and stuff में है. Secondly, urbanization in APEC, that is the Asia Pacific countries, and increasing demand for the nuclear energies are some of the key factors driving the market. Thirdly, these resins which are made by this company, so this resin industry has used to replace the magnesium and calcium ions in hard water with sodium ions to remove poisonous and heavy metal ions. So this will help in reducing the pollution further. And then the power industry accounts for the largest share of the market and is a growing and fast emerging market in the emerging economies such as China, India, UAE. तो वहां से अच्छा डिमांड आ सकता है फॉर द आयन एक्सचेंज रेजिन. So that is a plus point for this company, है ना. Then making cities, मतलब next point is that making cities smarter in India emerging, मतलब government are taking active steps, right. So smart city can be described as a city equipped with a core infrastructure with digital transformation to be created, and clean environment and sustainable energies are a major concern, है ना. So as a part of the smart city development and improvement in the water supply infrastructure and quality development in the water segment, so this company will benefit, है ना, अगर smart cities are promoted more at a much larger pace. Next point, कि जल जीवन मिशन एंड नील से जल जो स्कीम्स है गवर्नमेंट का, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ जल शक्ति, या फिर जो कोई भी मिनिस्ट्री है ना जल के लिए, so that ministry has been working by 2024, will be fighting against this water concern, and then this company will be under more highlights and focus. Next, increasing awareness towards the purification and softening of the water in industrial application is expected to play a major significant role in ion exchange resin market. मतलब like in foreign also we have seen कि like industrial waste जो है they cannot be directly disposed of in water, right. So this company is helping Indian companies do the same, and that will be a strict regulation by I mean in 10 to 15 years you may see a strict regime for this. So during that time you may see a huge boom in this company. Next, India is the third highest growing water market globally. Despite the ample water reserves today, the water distribution remains very much unequal. As against the requirement of 150 liter per capita per day, urban India receives only 105 liters of water, and the rural India fares even worse. So one fourth of the rural families across India draws water from the untreated taps and uncovered wells. So government is working hugely for this to help in this concern. इसीलिए can you like connect कि वो लोग टैक्स ज्यादा दे रहे हैं so that to bring into the limelight, ये हो सकता है but I am not sure. And that also ion exchange has been working with the government over the past years, है ना. So that is a good thing. मतलब वहां पर से उनको बहुत ज्यादा डील्स एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स मिल सकता है. नाउ
Okay, pause. 1 second. Okay, how much is left?
हाउ मच इज लेफ्ट, ठीक है, मतलब कंक्लूजन बाकी है, दैट्स इट.
Yeah, because I think after
हाँ,
like
that is
30
it.
35
मतलब
minutes.
मेजरली इट्स डन, मेजरली इज डन. लाइक इन्वेस्टमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी के लिए, लाइक दिस कंपनी, मतलब ये सेक्टर बहुत ज़्यादा बूमिंग है, बट आई गेस वहाँ पर कंपनी में बहुत ज़्यादा लीगल इश्यूज है. एंड ये लीगल इश्यूज लाइक वी हैव सीन इन द टेलीकॉम इंडस्ट्री ना, लाइक देयर हैज बीन अ लॉट ऑफ कंसर्न अगर लीगल केसेस बहुत
Hmm.
ज़्यादा है ना.
Yeah,
सो
I
आई
have a
डोंट.
question now.
हाँ.
Okay, you've done the research, right? I have a question now. अभी
या.
ion exchange का दूसरा competition कौन है? Is it the VA
या या
Tech
या या
Back?
आई हैव डन. या विद जस्ट अ सेकंड.
No, 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 no.
हाँ,
Leave
मैं
that, leave that.
कंपटीशन नहीं बोल रही हूँ, वेट वेट वेट. या सो उनका कंपटीशन है थर्मक्स, देन नैल्को, इकोलैब. बट
Hmm.
दे हैव बीन वर्किंग, मतलब उनका पूरा ये इकोसिस्टम नहीं है. सो दिस इज द ओनली कंपनी जो तीनों पार्टिसिपेट, मतलब तीनों वैल्यू चेन में है, लाइक वाटर सोल्यूबल प्रोवाइडर, ऑन साइट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर एंड वाटर केमिकल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, ये तीनों डिपार्टमेंट में
Hmm.
है. But the Thermux and Nalco Ecolab is not into this whole thing, है ना. Yeah, so Vatek, Wabag, and JE Water, and Siemens, and Toshiba, these are the also companies regarding the water treatment. But these companies do not operate in all the three. Like all the segments,
Hmm.
they only work in the chemical manufacturing segment, but focuses on the construction and maintenance of the water lab. And Vasu Chemicals also works, but ये लोग तीनों में काम नहीं करते हैं, है ना. सो दैट इज अ थिंग. एंड वन मोर कंसर्न कि इनका कंपटीशन इतना ज्यादा क्यों है. लाइक द नेट फिक्स्ड एसेट टर्नओवर इज अराउंड 8 to 10, 8 to 10. सो दिस शोज कि बहुत कम इन्वेस्टमेंट से ही दे कैन, लाइक स्मॉलर कंपनीज कैन कम अप एंड ओपन देयर बिजनेस इन दिस सेगमेंट. सो दैट इज अ थिंग कि उनका कंपटीशन
No,
क्यों
I have
इतना
a question here, right? Because when I look
ज्यादा.
at the, okay, so from a fundamental perspective, if you
हाँ.
look at their revenues, balance sheet, yes, you found some trade payables that looks a little, actually trade receivable and trade payable is a little weird. But if you look at the fundamental side, if you look at financial elements, then it looks like one of the best companies, right? Because it's growing
Yeah.
constantly every year, revenue growth, every year, EBITDA
Yeah,
growth,
and the
every
sector
year.
also it is growing.
Can I add
Correct.
on
Every,
this?
yeah.
Yeah, yeah, go.
Yeah, so what we conclude from like the analysis of this company is that management is not like we cannot trust the management fully because like there was written in Value Picker that from 2018 the company has changed the method of EPS calculations and have excluded shares held by Employee Welfare Trust,
And
which
how many
results
shares
in
are there in that?
uh, I repeat.
Significant amount.
So from 2018, company changed method of EPS calculations and have excluded shares held by Employee Welfare Trust, which results in artificial jump in EPS.
Oh
So they
fuck.
are doing this cheap trick to increase the EPS so that it will show in the financial statements, so that more and more people maybe fall for this company.
I mean, yeah, if you look at it only from a fundamental perspective, and if you look at the profit and loss statement and the balance sheet, it looks like one of those golden companies, right? Constantly going up, no issues, nothing is bad, everything looks really nice, and it's going up 5%, 6%. And then you see Rakesh Jindal exiting almost 5% of his stake, which he's not known to do if it is a growing company or if it's going up kind of a situation, right?
And also Mukul Agarwal entering.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't know who that
So
guy is. I have to see who this
Yeah,
guy
you
is,
can
but it,
search about him.
okay,
so
barring this EPS growth that you're talking about with the welfare scheme, barring all that, what do you guys think? Is it still good from a fundamental perspective for a 5 year timeline?
like what I think is what they are doing is well is for the welfare of the country. Like they are treating water, and their competitors are not have not reached economies of scale, and their competitors don't show up on the numbers like they do. So what could happen possibly happen is that government will back them up. They will provide them with more opportunities, more projects, so that will play out in the future,
So
but the
basically, these
management
guys are
cannot be
poised to
trusted.
win now. These guys
Hmm?
have more advantages to win.
Yeah, because they have reached the economies of scale, and that is not very easy for their competitors to do that.
Got it.
Yeah. and the company has a lot of subsidiary companies also. That something is very
Yeah.
fishy about the company, but they are the
Promoter
like market
holdings have
leaders.
also fallen.
Huh?
The promoter holding
Yeah,
has
the
also
promoter
fallen.
holding has also fallen. Yeah, so that's not a good
I
sign.
don't
So
think this company is very good for investment. मतलब अभी
like
के लिए तो I won't enter. I think.
that Ishmohit guy from SOIC, like in his recent videos, he has like mentioned this point that it was that time in 2000 and 2003s that only technical analysis will work out while picking a stock. But
Hmm.
in today's world, the efficiency of companies have like increased a lot. So if you are not doing the fundamental analysis, you are not looking at the future of the companies, like you are not uh, going to perform well in stocks. So
Correct.
technical analysis looks good, but fundamentally and the management of the company is not very good. They cannot be trusted easily.
Okay. Okay. Makes sense. Okay. So, by the way, Devjani, I think that was some crazy, insane research that you have done with what literally
Thank you.
24
The
hours.
research is commendable, amazing.
Yeah,
Thank you.
there's like 24 hours of notice period, and you notice, and you could actually finish it off by doing so much research. I think a lot of people firstly want to know how you're doing this research. Number one. Um,
वो टॉप
so-
सीक्रेट है ना.
huh?
अगर वो मैं बोल दूंगी तो मेरा तो इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं रहेगा ना.
वो
Correct,
trade
correct,
secret
correct.
is exam.
हाँ, that is top secret.
No, but that's insane. I mean, I think see, this is what it is, right? This a lot of people think when you create a community like this, it's only for it's a content creator led community, which I don't want it to be, because if you look at all the other Discord groups, or if you look at all the other communities in the current market, it's all creator driven, right? And I don't like this. I don't want this community to be creator driven. I want this to be just a finance community where anyone and everyone can share knowledge between each other and teach each other so that everyone wins at
Yeah,
the
yeah.
same time.
Yeah, yeah, it is not a big deal. Like the websites which I used is Stickerphinology for I went through all the investor presentation and the con calls. Apart from that, I was searching in Screener, then Money Control. वहाँ पर बहुत सारा research papers are already available, and then I मतलब dig deep into it, and then I saw
No,
its
that's what
balance
I'm
sheet and
saying.
stuff.
It's very good. It's not about the how you did it, right? It's about
Yeah.
you doing it, and around 200 people constantly listening in the chat have just learned something insane today, right?
Yes.
And why I'm so happy is because it's not from me. Ideally, I should be happy it's from me, but I'm actually very happy that it's not from me. That someone from the community is teaching the community members, and that's when you know that your job is done,
Everything I
right?
learned from you. Like I really did not have much idea about financial analysis and stuff, but like all because of you and Varsity and stuff and YouTube से भी after that only I learned. मतलब मैं तो
Good.
पूरा
Damn good.
economics से related. मतलब I am basically studying about economics and not about these financial things, है ना. And because of
Yeah.
you guys and about the connecting the dots helped me a lot in these to understand.
Insane. Insane. But again, I think everyone, I think here is grateful that you did this for the community. I think last time also you did a tremendous job. I think every time we want to do research, I think you're the person to go to, because it's nice, right? You know everything in and out, and you do everything in and out. So it's insane. So again, thank you for that. Community, please say thank you as well.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, yeah, Tata Alexi is left out. My God, there's one guy this is not satisfied. Only some people are. They're like, sir, ye ho gaya, but you still didn't do Tata Alexi. I'm like, calm down.
Tata Alexi भी ready है. Like I prepared, but it is long time I did not just see. मतलब मेरे पास written है, but I have not just said.
No, but this is good. This is very nice. But yeah, again, guys, this is some insane knowledge that you guys are gaining, especially on a Friday after market hours. So you can actually do your research over Saturday, Sunday, find out some new stocks that you guys should look at. Devjani will also keep doing her own research, which is also finding. So in the end, community needs to help each other and then start winning, right? And I mean, if it's not like you win, I win, and only I win or something like that, right? This is one good advantage of the stock market, is that if you have information and you have knowledge, everyone wins. I mean, whoever
Yes.
has it wins. So it's not like I'm taking money from your stock. That doesn't happen that way. So as much as possible, take as much as information from everyone and read as much as possible over this weekend. Please do a lot of reading and have fun. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Great.
And thank you again, Debjani. Let me know if you want to. I mean, the research that you're doing is insane. I'm anyway going to start my own YouTube series on doing fundamental analysis of different stocks. So let me know if you want to be a part of that team.
Yeah,
I'll
I want
put
to
you
be
on
a
that
part.
team.
Yeah, I want to be a part. मैं अभी बोल
I'm
रही हूँ.
anyway going to start it next week, not now, but I'm going to do, like, for example, the IPO reviews that are coming out, and I don't have the time to do research. That is my biggest drawback right now while running the company and doing this. And you do the research, I'll do the
Yeah,
talking
same
and
part.
thing.
Yeah,
And in
yeah.
return, whatever you want, you let me know from my side. Whether it's money or knowledge, you let me know.
No,
I can give either
knowledge,
or.
knowledge, obviously
Done.
knowledge.
Done.
Yeah.
Awesome. So you message me on Instagram. I'll get back to you on that. Cool.
Okay, cool.
Okay. This is like a instant fellowship, but amazing, amazing, amazing work. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, okay, bye.
Awesome.